you want a speedboat, you don't want to be an aircraft carrier.
Absolutely.
Because it's not the big that eat the small, it's the fast that eat the slow. And so what we've seen here just in the last, since COVID is, everything used to be about efficiency. Now it's about resiliency.
Yeah.
And so systems like this that reduce the chain of custody, not only from farmer to plate, but from farmer to farmer to, to inputs that reduce the petroleum need because it's local based, that reduce the capitalization cost because you're not running fans and pouring concrete. All of those things add up to a food security, a resiliency issue. And so as people become more and more concerned about food security, every one of us who disentangles from the system is going to be the survivor coming out the other end. And so I've never been more optimistic about farming as I am right now. I mean, we're just exploding. People are coming, and lots of neat things happening as frankly as COVID changes our context, and it's on everybody else's mind as well. I mean, just think about if you were running a processing plant with 5,000 employees, your HR department through COVID has probably quintupled in size, which is just like a parasite on the company, because HR doesn't do anything productive. They just shuffle paper and try to be diplomats. and so here we are as a little business. I don't wake up every morning wondering, oh no, did I do the right quarantine protocol for COVID in quadrant 6? I don't think about those things. And so that's where the advantage of a smaller, local based.
If you guys like this video and wish to see more, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or consider following us on Instagram at Florida's Valley Farms. Thank you for watching.